how to create Among Us account. So if you want to create Among Us account, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Among Us application at first. Now you can go with I understand, accept the terms of use, and you can go with the age verification. Select your date of birth, after that submit, and then go with yes. After that, select the Google account that you would like to use to create your account and tap on continue. After tapping on continue, it will take all of the access or all of the information from your Google account and create an account on Among Us by itself. You don't need to enter any information. You can choose a friend code if you want to. You can enter the friend code, which is like a username, and it cannot be changed. Once you've selected, it will not be changed. So make sure to select a good friend code and then go with confirm, and your account will be created. So that's how you can create an account on Among Us. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.